Speechless, looks like you found my weakness. Can't fight it anymore. Am I yours?
As usual, Polyverse has brought us a plugin that emulates a sound possibly only found on distant planets. Comet is an advanced reverb that allows you to design your reverb sound in fine detail with algorithms not based on real rooms, but rather unrealistic dream rooms. But you don't have to be a sound designer to take advantage of this powerful plugin, because the preset menu is literally the easy button with amazing presets, which we will listen to on vocals in just a sec. Something very unique about this plugin is our ability to morph our reverb sound over time to shape a really cool musical journey for our listeners. Changing presets mid-song in other plugins causes really ugly artifacts, and in reverb, overall automation tends to not sound very clean in real time. But Comet is optimized for really clean changes and automation, which I will show you in this video. But let's do a walkthrough first, then we'll listen to these presets on my vocals, and then I'll wrap up by showing you the awesome morphing automation we can do pretty easily. So let's take a look. Starting with the input slider here, I'd only touch this if you want to add some color to your reverb, as turning this up will add a little bit of saturation. And you've got your output as well. Maybe turn this down a little if you did turn your input up. Your primary macro knobs are here in the middle. You can control the reverb size, the decay time, and your mix. I'm gonna keep mine at 100%, and this is my send fader that I use to control how much of my vocal I'm sending to the reverb, which I will turn up a little too much just because we're listening to the reverb. Size is like how big the room is. Decay is how long it's going to resound until it completely fades out. This pre-delay slider is interesting. If you want no pre-delay, don't just pull this all the way down, because it won't do that. Keep it on 0 milliseconds. If you drag this up, your pre-delay will be by a factor of milliseconds, but if you drag it down, it's by a factor of note value, which I think is really cool. So it can make that delay more rhythmic and sync to your tempo. Diffuse controls our reverb density. If you have it all the way down, you're only going to hear the initial reflections. Less diffusion might sound a little bit like a fluttering delay. I am a diffusion junkie, so I might even keep mine at like 100 the whole time. That will give me a super clean wash, which I love. Detune will detune the reverb tail over time. As a vocalist who auto-tunes everything, I'm pretty much allergic to detune, but this actually sounds really cool with just a tiny amount. So maybe I'll put just a little bit to give it a little bit of movement, not sound so static. Really just put a tiny amount on. Even a little bit will change the character of your reverb a lot. High damp and low damp is going to dampen your highs and lows of the reverb tail over time. So as that reverb is fading out, it will get darker or brighter depending on how you have this. Color is going to be your overall brightness and darkness. Normally, I would assume this is kind of like a tilt EQ, but after playing with Polyverse plugins for so long, I have no idea what kind of magic they're putting underneath this hood. Down the bottom is our presets, and these are our morphing slots. So you can assign multiple presets and then automate between them. And the smoothness of that automation is controlled by this glide knob, which if you pull this way, glides by a note value, which I like. Pull it this way, it's gonna go by milliseconds. Now, before we dig into this amazing preset menu, notice how there's all these little lock icons underneath all of the parameters. I have my mix lock on because I don't want this to change if I change the presets. If this was off, it might change to different settings. So if I know I'm obsessed with diffusion and I want to keep it at 100, I can lock it and try out different presets with it staying at 100% diffusion. But I'm going to unlock this for now, see what the presets sound like, but I'm going to keep this at 100% wet and control it from here. So using slot 1, let's listen to some of these presets. I'm just going to cycle through. I like that we have our own presets, but then also we can listen to smaller, medium, large, eternal, and some artsy. And if you know Polyverse, you know this folder is going to get crazy. Check the receipts in my Mutator by Polyverse video. That is, I can't even explain it. Go check it out. I'll put a link right here. Let's do a couple of each. I've got this vocal example that's kind of soft, and then I go into some belting so you can hear the difference.
Speechless, looks like you found my weakness. Can't fight it anymore.
That's our little Goldilocks. That doesn't sound very small.
Speechless, looks like Speechless.
All right.
Speechless. Speechless.
I really like that. It's a small room, but it still has like the character of a long reverb. I love that.
Speechless.
That is very dry. Ooh.
Speechless.
Not that any of that is boring, but that's the boring folder.
Speechless. Can't fight it anymore. More.
Oh, I bet that's detuning. Yeah.
More.
We'll listen to more of the vocal for the longer ones, but for the shorter ones, you get more of the effect if I stop it.
More.
We've got these arrows. I bet if I close this, we can see a little bit more of what's going on. These are really, really pretty. Oh, because the diffusion was at 100. I'm always gonna like those ones. Let's check out the large room.
Am I yours? Am I yours?
Ooh.
Am I yours?
You hear that glide when I change preset.
Am I yours?
Gorgeous.
Am I yours?
It's hard to pick a favorite.
Am I yours?
Ooh, pretty. Very bright. I can see that.
Am I yours?
Okay, you might make me a detune believer yet. That sounds really pretty.
Am I yours?
I like that.
Am I yours?
We have 3 pages of large. I love that.
Am I yours? Am I yours?
Too much detune for me. I was right.
Am I yours?
Okay, let's check out the Eternals.
Am I yours?
I just love that.
Am I yours?
No. Too much.
Am I yours?
Okay. My sound designers, are you getting ideas?
Am I yours?
Okay, you ready for some belting vocals?
The sand is pulling me in, and it's quickening. Yeah, you got me now in your quicksand.
Oof.
The sand.
That's a dark one.
The sand is pulling me in.
Sure is. Oh, it's almost getting more intense over time.
The sand, and it's quickening.
Oh, that's super clean.
And it's quickening. Yeah.
I can imagine that being really cool on piano chords to just create endless pads for you. All right, let's see what's in this artsy folder.
And it's quickening. And it's quickening. And it's quickening.
Gosh, I usually do not like metallic reverbs, but these are done really nice.
And it's quickening. And it's quickening.
Too weird for me.
And it's quickening.
Oh, that is a nice chorus.
And it's quickening. It's pulling me in.
Scary.
It's pulling me in. It's pulling me in.
Oh, that's kind of neat.
It's pulling me in.
I don't like scrambled tofu.
Is pulling me in.
Pad maker, exactly, that's my point.
Is pulling me in.
Ooh, really cool dark verb. There's a lot of cool stuff in here, but I want to play with these slots and show you what it sounds like with that automation change. From our medium folder, I think I liked thick matter. Then we're gonna go to the next slot and assign something else here. How about crystal life? Number 3, we're gonna go long and dark. I think I am good with 3 changes. I know Polyverse designs their plugins with live performances in mind, so that's probably what I would use those 5 slots for, is a live performance. And we're gonna automate our reverb. Let me add preset morphs. Let's go line by line. We're gonna do our small reverb here. So let's make this slot number 1. And then right here, it's gonna change to this one, which is 2, perfect, and then 3. You can even automate the glide. Let's do that so that the beginning is not as intense of a glide.
Speechless, looks like you found my weakness. Can't fight it anymore. Am I yours? The sand is pulling me in, and it's quickening. Yeah, you got me now in your quicksand.
All right. We went overboard.
It's pulling me in, and it's quickening. Yeah, you got me now in your quicksand.
Okay, I gotta get used to the glide automation for sure. But sound designers, I know you're getting ideas here. Polyverse Comet. Beautiful algorithmic reverb on its own, but the morphing and gliding puts it in its own category. Make sure you're subscribed and check out more plugin demos on Vocals. Let me know what you think of this plugin. Drop a comment. Let me know if there's anything else you want me to try next, and I will see you in the next video.